Hello students, this is the fifth bit from fifth Roman. Now LHS and RHS, we have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. Now take cos A minus sin A plus 1 by cos A plus sin A minus 1. So take LHS, divide numerator and denominator by sin A. Now divide it with the sin A and sin A. Now this is a LCM. It will goes to each part of the numerator. Therefore, cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A whole by cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Therefore, cos A by sin A cot A minus 1 plus cosecant A, because sin and cos is LHS, but the answer is given in cosecant and cot. Therefore, we have to convert the LCM into the required RHS way. Now we have cot and cosec, and we have to convert into RHS. Okay, now cot A, you take minus common from the two terms in the numerator. Therefore, minus common 1 minus cosecant A by cot A plus here also just you can write down as it is. Now here 1 minus cosecant A by 1 minus cosecant A. Rationalize the above denominator. So this denominator is going to be rationalized. Now here cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A. Okay. Cot A plus 1 minus cosecant A can be written as cot A minus 1 minus cosecant A. Therefore, two terms are there, A plus B, A minus B. Therefore, in this way, we can write down A square minus B square. And you can see A minus B of A minus B form. Now, A is cot A, B is 1 minus cosecant A. So, A minus B of A minus B by A plus B of A minus B. Therefore, A square plus B square minus 2AB by A square minus B square. Therefore, this will be whole square, and the bottom will be A square minus B square. Now, this is A minus B whole square. That means A square plus B square. B is 1 minus cosecant A whole square minus 2AB, 2 cot A 1 minus cosecant A by cot square A minus A square minus B square. Again, B is A minus B whole square. So here basically it required lot of basis in algebraic identity, using of algebraic identities, and we have to apply into the trigonometry without confusion. So 1 minus cosecant A whole square, that means A square plus B square minus 2AB formula. Now open it carefully. This is A minus B whole square, write down and write like that. And here this will be extended. Now you can write down cosecant square theta, cosecant square theta. I separated there. Here you can see cosecant square theta, cot square theta plus 1. This is 1 minus cosecant square theta. Therefore, A square plus B square minus 2AB and that one. So in the denominator also minus is there. So open and distribute the minus. Now from the numerator, here we have cosecant square theta plus cosecant square theta, because cot square theta plus 1 can be written as cosecant square theta. Cot square theta plus 1 can be written as cosecant square theta. So we are using these two terms to convert into cosecant square theta and cosecant square theta. You can write down 2 cosecant square theta minus 2 cosecant theta minus 2 cot theta 1 minus cosecant square theta whole by, here you can take off minus from cot square and cosecant square, therefore minus 1 plus 2 cosecant square. So it is minus 2. Write down minus 2 the back side. Therefore from the numerator, here we have 2, here we have 2, here we have 2. Take the 2 common. And here also denominator 2 is there. Take the 2 common. It will be cancelled. Now cosecant theta can be taken out from these two. Therefore cosecant theta is equal to cosecant theta minus 1. Sometimes I am writing a, sometimes I am writing theta, but whatever it may be, it is the same. Now cosecant square theta minus 1, cosecant square theta minus 1 is common in both the terms. Take out the cosecant square theta minus 1 out. Therefore here cosecant theta, that means a plus cot a are there, and in the bottom cosecant theta minus 1 remain. Cancel it and you will get the RHS. Now as it is, you can take a photocopy, that means a screenshot, and you can write down the notes, so that this problem required 2-3 times practice. That's all.